Someone messages you on Facebook with a question, and Friender replies automatically, even at 3 a.m. while you sleep. That's the message autoresponder. Set your trigger words, hook each one to a saved message, and Friender handles every match. Let me show you how. Start at the listing page from the sidebar. Up top, 3 stats. How many autoresponders you have set up, your total run count, and unique contacts who got replies. Each row is one autoresponder. Toggle, keyword, the message, tags, and a usage count. To create one, click Create Autoresponder, top right, 4 fields. Title, name it whatever you'll remember. Set keywords, type a word, and hit enter. Add as many as you want. Select message. Pick a quick message or a group message. Tags are optional but useful. They label the contact in your CRM and they're great for triggering follow-up automations later. Hit save. Every autoresponder has a green toggle. Click to switch it off, click to switch it back on. To edit, hover the row, click the pencil. Same form, pre-filled. Change what you need, hit save. Now the settings page. Click the gear icon, top right. 2 delay fields up top. Delay time for all responses is how long Friender waits before it sends. Default is 1 minute, which feels natural, like a human is typing. Delay time for same responses is how long Friender waits before firing the same auto response for the same person again. Say someone triggers your secret offer keyword twice in a row. Friender won't send the secret offer message a second time until this timer expires. 60 minutes by default. Below, the default settings toggle. Flip it on if you want Friender to send a default reply when nothing matches a keyword. Pick the message, set the interval in hours, hit save. That's the whole feature. Set them up once, and Friender handles your inbound while you sleep.